We the Masti Kids.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मेरा नाम इस्माइल है. Today we're going to read this book. But before I can read the book, don't forget to like and subscribe my video. P is for Pakistan. P is for Pakistan. Here's the map of Pakistan. See, it's right next to India and right below China. A is for Assalamu Alaikum. This is how people in Pakistan say hello. I know that. Does everyone else? These guys are hugging and they're both saying Assalamu Alaikum. B is for Patshahi Mosque in the city of Lahore. Many people come here to pray and to admire its beauty. At night, it is lit up, giving it an amazing and enchanting glow. My mom and dad went to Bajai Mosque. They never took me. C is for Jadbai, a traditional village bed with wooden or metal frame. It is woven with colorful yarns and many different patterns. By day, it is a place to sit and talk, and at night, it becomes a bed to sleep on and dream. D is for Dobigat, an open-air laundry near the river bank, where Dobbies, washermen, and women bring all the town's dirty clothes to wash and spread out to dry. E is for Eid, two of the year's most important Islamic celebrations. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting, and Eid al-Adha is celebrated after Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. Girls give each other bangles and decorate their hands with henna. Families feast together, give presents, and say special prayers at the mosque to celebrate. My mom put henna on her hands on Eid Day. It looks beautiful. I tried it once too. F is for wonderful fruits grown all over Pakistan. In spring and after summer, mangoes, bananas, and watermelons come into season. While in autumn and after the winter, oranges, dates, and guava can be found everywhere. Pear, the fruit being bought here, is used to make sauce. Fruits in Pakistan are so tasty. Bananas are so tiny, but they're so sweet. G is for good, our home. A family home can be a big mansion in the city, a small house on the plain, or a simple village hut in the mountains. Pakistani people live together in extended families made up of children, parents, grandparents, and sometimes aunts and uncles too. 8 is for hijab, which means dressing modestly. Most Muslim women wear a headscarf to cover their hair, ears, and throat. Others cover their whole body, except for the eyes. My mom wears hijab. It looks different than hers. I is for Indus, the big river flowing all the way from the north to the south of Pakistan. Some of the earliest cities grew up along its banks 4,000 years ago. Now that dams have been built upstream to get at electricity, the mighty river has become very dry. And this is called Sindh in Urdu. I know all the names of rivers. Sindh, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej. These are the 5 main rivers. J is for jasmine, the national flower of Pakistan. We have used it to make perfume for hundreds of years. Its fragrance is strongest in the evening. Street sellers in the cities carry jasmine bangles on sticks and eat. K is for kulfi, a special ice cream, much creamier than ordinary ice cream, which we buy from kulfi stands and kulfi parlors. Our favorite flavors are strawberry, banana, pistachio, and mango. L is for laddu, sweet balls made from chickpea, flour, and sugar. Some laddus are made from coconut with almonds and nuts. We often give them as presents on happy occasions, such as birthdays and Eid. M is for moti, squints and beads, used to embroider scarves, shirts, and dresses. Motis come in many beautiful colors, shapes, and sizes, and we also use them to make jewelry. N is for nahari, a spicy meat curry we eat with naan, a soft round bread. It is a great favorite in Karachi and Lahore restaurants. O is for ointment, which we buy from the herbalist. In many parts of Pakistan, herbalists are more popular than doctors and are often much cheaper. People sometimes travel great distances to consult a good herbalist. P is for Pakistan, a country born in 1947. Its people speak many languages, including English, Punjabi, Pashto, and Sindhi. But Urdu is the official language. Islamabad is the capital city, and there are many bustling towns and quiet villages as well as beautiful mountains, lakes, rivers, and deserts. Q is for Qawwali, songs of Islam. Qawwali singers are usually accompanied by a tambourine, a harmonium, and a tabla, a small drum. They sing for hours, starting late at night and going on into the early morning. R is for rickshaw, a kind of taxi which has been converted from a three-wheeled motorbike to carry passengers. S is for shalwar kameez, a three-piece suit made up of a long blouse, trousers, and a scarf or shawl. Each region has its own style of outfit. Women and girls wear them every day and like to dress up in their most glamorous shalwar kameez with matching handbags and shoes for weddings and special occasions. T is for truck, covered with lively poems and decorated all over with bright, colorful paintings. They are one of the most exciting forms of folk art in Pakistan. U is for Urdu, our national language. It is full of charm and elegance. We write it from right to left. V is for volleyball, a game played by two teams of 6 who volley the ball back and forth over a net with their hands. Like cricket, it is very popular and tournaments are played all over the country. W is for water buffaloes, who look more terrifying than they really are. They like to laze in water all day long. X is for exciting. Kite Festival of Basant, which marks the coming of spring. On the rooftop and on the beach, people of all ages gather to fly kites of every size and color. Y is for Yar, the Urdu word for friends, who greet each other with hugs and handshakes. Z is for Zaver, or jewelry. People like to show off their gold at weddings and parties. Nowadays, we often wear modern custom jewelry, which looks just as attractive as traditional jewelry.
The end. I hope you liked the book, friends. I love this.
See you next time!